Experience peak performance and peak entertainment with the Inspire Series T7S treadmill by Center. Designed for those who refuse to compromise style for function, the T7S maximizes your effort through advanced personalization. The 15.6-inch multimedia touchscreen display comes with 25 training programs and 7 built-in apps, plus seamless smartphone mirroring so you can watch your favorites on the big screen. Its one-of-a-kind cushioned dual absorption deck minimizes impact, reduces shock, and boosts stability for unparalleled comfort and support. Train for any environment on a spacious 22 by 60-inch running surface with natural stride technology that adjusts its speed to your running pace. Enjoy dual controls with one-touch keys and quick-adjust toggles, allowing you to push your limits with speeds up to 12 miles per hour and an 18% incline. Engineered with a powerful 5.0 horsepower AC motor and maintenance-free belt, and backed by a superior limited lifetime warranty, the T7S's durability sets a new standard for home fitness equipment. The integrated heart rate handles and Bluetooth connectivity provide accurate monitoring. And with a free membership to the Center app included, you can push your training further with Chris Hemsworth's team of experts. Run toward the future of fitness with the Inspire Series T7S treadmill by Center.